Recommended study process. Preparing for the HSK, what steps are really necessary? Many students start off blindly, memorizing words or rushing through practice tests, only to realize later it's not very effective. In fact, successful preparation needs two things: time and a smart plan. First of all, time investment is the foundation. According to the latest HSK guidelines, starting from 0 and preparing for HSK 4 usually takes 1 to 1.5 years of systematic study, adding up to about 800 hours. The most reliable pace is studying 5 days a week, about 2 hours a day, and sticking with it for 12 to 18 months. If your schedule is tighter, say 2 to 3 days a week, 1 to 2 hours each time, then your preparation period may stretch to 2 to 3 years. Next comes a scientific study plan. Hard work alone isn't enough. You need the right steps. The process usually includes building a vocabulary base, learning grammar, doing practice exercises, mastering test-taking methods, and strengthening skills. Each step matters. Vocabulary. Traditional memorization is inefficient because it lacks review and tracking. Students may learn a lot, but they can't tell which words they actually know and which ones they keep forgetting. The Kaka Pass HSK vocabulary course automatically records your progress, identifies weak words, and strengthens them so you don't waste time. Grammar. Chinese grammar can feel scattered and overwhelming. In traditional classes, grammar explanations are long and abstract. You might understand in class, but it's hard to review later. Kaka Pass HSK uses interactive, scenario-based dialogue lessons with targeted exercises. You can master each grammar point faster and replay any part you didn't fully understand. Practice. Simply doing random exercises isn't enough. Should you practice by question type or by full test papers? How much is enough? What order should you follow? We create a personalized training plan, combining bridging exercises, focus drills, short quizzes, and real past papers. This ensures you find your weak spots and improve accuracy. Daily tasks. This is the most important part. Many students fail because they can't stay consistent. Kaka Pass HSK breaks down your goals into 5-minute micro-tasks: words, grammar, exercises, reviews, all connected in a single daily flow. Just follow the plan, and you'll make steady progress without stress. In short, a smart study plan isn't about endless hours and mountains of test papers. It's about having time plus structure plus methods plus feedback. Only then can you steadily boost your score in the most efficient way.